Good morning students. Last class we discussed about some estimation problems, nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Today we will discuss use of brackets. Use of brackets. Use of brackets. How to use the brackets? For example, 6 into 7 plus 3. 6 into 7 plus 3. See, in the problem we have two operations. One is multiplication and one is addition. Which operation can perform first? Some members are doing 6 into 7 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. Some members are 6 into 7 plus 3 means 10. 6 10s are 60. Which is correct in these two? Which is correct? We don't know. That's why we are using brackets, then easily solve which method, which pattern we can follow. First 6 into 7. I am using this bracket. Then see, first bracket is there, then first you have to operate that particular operation. First we have to solve that particular operation. Means 6 into 7, 6 7s are 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. This is the correct way. Why? Because in before classes we know the rule BODMAS rule. B for brackets, O for off means multiplication, and next D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. See, BODMAS, B for brackets, O for off is nothing but multiplication, and D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. According to this BODMAS rule, we will apply first which operation? 6 into 7 means multiplication operation we can perform first. 6 7s are 42 plus 3 means this is 45. Not only brackets means we have so many types of brackets. Next classes we will discuss about some more examples. We will explain now. Seven into 109. 7 into 109 example. This brackets, for example, 7 into 109 is just normal multiplication taking more time. Otherwise we can change 7 into 100 plus 9. I am writing 7 into 100 plus 9. Now 7 is multiplying the distributive property. The distributive property, what the distributive property? A into B plus C means 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. 700 plus 7 9s are 63. Finally 763. Finally what is the answer? 763. Why 109 we are using 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9. Then if you can 7 into 100 plus 9. 7 into 100 plus 9 we can write like this. Then 7 into 100, 700 plus 9 is 709. This is wrong answer. That's why we have to use compulsory brackets. When you use the brackets, then you have to do the particular operation first. In the total problem we have to use that particular operation. After we can use remaining operations. Okay. Next, one more problem. One not 2 into 103. 102 into 103. We can use directly multiplication, but we have to change 102 means 100 plus 2 into 103 means 100 plus 3. See the two numbers, now we have to change like 4 numbers. We are writing the combination of 102 means 100 plus 2, that 100 plus 3 is combination of 103. First should multiply the first number 100 into 100, 100 into 100, 100 into 100 plus again then 100 should multiply the second bracket on each and every number. On second bracket each and every number. See 100 into 100 plus 100 into 3 again 100 into 3. Then with each 100 is over. With 100 first 100 into 100, after 100 into 3 is completed. Next 2 into 100, 2 into 3. What is the symbol? Plus 2 into 100 plus 2 into 3. Then 100 into 100, 10,000 plus 100 into 3, 300 plus 100 into 2, 200 plus 6. See, next 10,000, 300, 300 plus 200, 500 and 6, 506. 10,506. 10,506. I repeat once again. 102 into 103. 102 I am writing 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2. 103 I am writing 100 plus 3. See here 102 we are writing 100 plus 2. That's why take one separate bracket, and 100 plus 3 take some separate bracket. Next this 100 should multiply 100 and 3 separately. 100 into 100 and 100 into 3. Next these two should multiply 100 and 3 means 2 into 100 and 2 into 3. Then 100 into 100 10,000, 100 into 3 300, 2 into 100 200, 3 2 into 3 6. Total finally 10,000 plus this is 300 plus 200 500 plus 6 506. Total you have then 10,506. This is then easily we can separate, we can solve easily by using brackets. Any difficult problem also. We can take round of values. Last class we discussed round of values. First of all we have to change into round of values, then you can proceed the problem. Next one more example. 17 into 109. 17 into 109. 17 into 109. This one also 10 plus 7 we can write 10 plus 7. 17 we can write 10 plus 7 into 110 means 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9. Then see now first 10 into 100 plus now 10 into 9 with the 10 is completed. Next 7 into 100 and 7 into 9. Now 10 into 100 1000, 10 into 9 90, 7 into 100 700, 7 9 just 63. 1000 plus 700 1700 plus 90 plus 63 how much? 153. Total 1853. Total what is the value? 1853. Listen once again. Here 17 into 109 is taking more time. That's why we have to take the round of values. Means 17 is how to write 10 plus 7. 109 how to write 100 plus 9. Now should multiply first value and first bracket. What is the first value is 10, should multiply 100 and 9 like that. Second value 7 should multiply 100 and 9. 10 100 jar 1000, 10 9 jar 90, 7 into 100 700, 7 9 jar 63. Total adding if you will get 1853. This is the topic of use of brackets. That's why the brackets is very useful to calculate any difficult problems. In case any problem we have more than 2 or 3 operations, we can use brackets, then without confusion you can solve any problem. Next topic, Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Actually, in Indian system, we are using Hindu-Arabic numbering system. Hindu-Arabic numbering system. Then Roman numerals also, we have some numerals. We are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also. This is the Hindu-Arabic numeric system. Next, Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See, these letters is you are looking I and V and X. These letters, these are called Roman numerals. This system we observe in some wall clocks, otherwise school timetables. Still, some members are using this Roman, so many members are using this Roman numerals. See, in that, which number is related to the, which number in Indian system we have to check. See, I is nothing but 1, double I means 2 times is there means 2, 3 times is there means 3, and 4. 4 means then 1 I left side and V is a 4, and single V is there means 5, like that. V and right side 1 I is there means 6, V right side 2 I's is there means 7, in V right side 3 I's, 3 number of I's is there means 8, and 1 I and X, 1 I and X is there means 9, and single X means 10. For you have to, we have some confusion how to write these Roman numerals. For that we have some rules. So many rules is there, and that rules, the first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, the value will add it many times. For example, this is the value is 1, like that. Now the value is 2. Okay, the value is 3, means how many times the symbol is repeated, that many times the value will be add. Means, see, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that. This is the first rule of Roman numerals. How many times the symbol is repeating, then that many times the value will be add, the value will be increase. Okay, this is the first rule. This is the first rule. How many number of times the symbol will increase, the symbol will be increased, the symbol will occur, then that many times the value will be increased. This is the first rule. Next, second rule. The second rule is, the symbol will repeat, but how many times? The symbol will repeat, but how many times? That is a one particular limit. More than 3 times the symbol will not repeat. More than 3 times the symbol will not repeat. Means, what is the value? 3, like that. This is 30, and next, this is 300. Okay, first of all, this is the rule. Before going that, I will write some Roman numerals. This is 1, this is 5, this is 10, this is 50, this is 100, this is 500, M or K. M or K is 1000. Maximum we used for 1000 m, but k why are you using means kilo. Kilo is nothing but 1000. That's why in some cases we used k also. Okay, the first rule is how many times a symbol is repeated, that many times the value will be increased. The second rule is then more than 3 times the symbol will not repeat. More than 3 times the symbol will not repeat means x is equal to 30 is equal to 3, like that. Okay, this is wrong. This is wrong. This 2 is correct. Okay, why? Because according to the second rule, the symbol will not repeat more than 3 times. The symbol will not repeat more than 3 times. Next, third rule. Next, the third rule is the symbol, for example, take any number, this is, then this value, the I is equal to 1 and x is equal to 10. I is equal to 1 and x is equal to 10. Then the left side is there. The small value is in left side of the bigger value. The small value is left side of the bigger value. Then we can use subtraction. Subtraction. Left side. Left side is there means subtraction means, see, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. This value is equal to 9. This value is equal to 9. Like that. What is the value? 11. Why? Because right side, small value left side is there means subtraction, sorry, small value right side is there means addition, means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Don't be confused them carefully. The small value compared to I and x, I value is 1, x value is 10. I value is 1, x value is 10. In that, I value is less than the x value. The I value is left side, then compulsory we have to use subtraction from big one to small one. From big one to small one, here big value what is that? 10. 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. Like that, here higher value is x, right side is there small value is right side of x, means smaller value is right side of the bigger value. Then we can use which operation? Addition operation. Addition operation, here addition operation means x means 10 and I means 1. Means 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Like that, some more examples. This is the 15. Why? Because v is the small value, x is the bigger value, right side. That's why we have to use addition operation. That's why answer is 15. Next, L. What is the value of L? Is 50 and x is 10. Means left side. The smaller value is in left side of the higher value. That's why we have to use the subtraction operation. Means 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Okay, this is the third rule of Roman numerals. Still we have some more rules. Next class we will discuss about.